This video will show you how to use eBay gift card. So if you have a gift card and not sure how to use it, here's how to redeem it. You should first log into your eBay account, then go to the checkout page when you're ready to buy an item. On the payment screen, look for the option that says Redeem a gift card, coupon, or eBay box. Click it and enter your 13-digit gift card code, then hit Apply. The gift card amount will be deducted from your total. If your order is more than the card value, just pay the rest with cash or even PayPal if it's applicable, a debit card, or your preferred payment method. And I think that's it. Just log in with your credentials on eBay, check out an item, then pay with your e-gift card.